G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. Why am I the self-appointed headmaster? Well, there's no one really here to appoint you headmaster. There's no one above me. So I want to be transparent as much as I can and say, well, I am the headmaster, but I actually appointed myself. In any case, thank you for our episode sponsor this video, which is Turnkey Parlor. Neil Williams and all of the crew there, look, just go to their website, turnkeyparlor.com or freezerplanet.com. A whole range of used equipment, full store packages, and a lot of good training video as well. We very much thank them for their episode sponsorship, turnkeyparlor.com. The link is right down below. Now, in this session, I want to talk a little bit about this. Shing! This is a pizza knife that we often use to make individual slices of ice cream cakes. Now, in our Scoop School community video that we just filmed today, actually, we did a session on ice cream cakes and ice cream pies, and we made this beautiful multi-layered ice cream cake. I want to show you a little bit about how we utilize them in the store environment to make ice cream slices. So we're going to drop our cake down here, and as per Cold Mold's silicone mold here, which is pretty cool, I put a hand on the top, you grab the bottom and peel it back, and you've got this beautiful cake here. That's a salted caramel on the top with a Oreo crunch in the middle and vanilla on the bottom. Now you can sell this cake in and of itself. You could take the wax paper off, or you can cut this up into individual slices. Now again, you want to be wary that you're not robbing your sales, more profitable sales per se, from your scoop shop side of things, but having one of these pizza knives is actually really cool because you can take right over the top here and just push straight down. Now this has come straight out of the blast freezer. I can feel it going through the crunch layer right now, and then we have our sections of our ice cream cake. So again, it's both soft serve. This one is salted caramel. We've got a layer of crunch in the middle, and then we can actually just, rather than sell it as a cake, make it into slices. Let's go this way and sell it as a slice of ice cream cake, as well as a whole cake. Now obviously you've got to be very careful that you're not going to chop any of your digits off, because that would be terrible. So maybe only have someone that's trained in the art of samurai. But there you go, you can actually get a wedge, almost like you would buy a slice of cheesecake in, and sell these individual wedges of ice cream cakes. And maybe you can do that if you've got a cake that's been sitting there a while, you want to sample it out. But I do know that on some of the custom cakes and some of the really nice looking cakes, you've got the ability to be able to sell them slice by slice. A little bit of revenue there for you, a bit of a revenue tip. But I find that I use this knife all the time. We just got it from Webstaurant or somewhere where you buy pizza knives. Very simple. Another little bit of a menu diversification, if you will. And look, anything that can you can put on the menu that differentiates you from your competition is a win in my book. So thank you very much for your attendance today. Very short session of Scoop School. Thank you again to Turnkey Parlor for sponsoring. And if you have a question, a quandary, a concern about the ice cream business, you know where you go? Right down here, right down below. Leave a comment. We love responding to comments, and if you have a suggestion for a video, leave it down there. Thank you very much for tuning in. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.